How to install local deb packages with apt-get. Is there a way to install packages stored on your HD with apt-get, like apt-get install./package.deb? If not, how to handle the dependencies in a very easy way.
Usually I do dpkgi deb file, it'll fail saying it needs dependencies. After that, when you do an apt-get update, it'll say at the end something like dependencies are ready to install. I think it then advises to use apt-get install f. Once that's done, I use dpkgi again. Worked fine for me last few years. Edit, looking a bit further, apparently a tool called debi can do this as debi deb file.
Yes, the command you proposed is correct. Or we'll install the package you got from another source in apt and same time use apt capabilities to resolve its dependencies automatically. Unfortunately, this apt-get feature is not documented in the man page. For more details, see how do I install a deb file via the command line? How to let dpkgi install dependencies for me?
Sirix has it more or less correct, but his answer isn't clear. I just solved this, so here's what I did. Sudo dpkgi/path/to/filename.deb. If this fails with a message about the package depending on something that isn't installed, you can probably fix it if you run sudo apt-get f install. This will install the dependencies, assuming they're available in the repos your system knows about, and the package you were originally requesting to install. F is the fix option and Y is the assume yes to prompts or don't ask me if it's okay, just install it already option, very useful for scripted silent installs. On the system I was on, there was no need to run dpkg again, Ubuntu Lucid 10.04. I found it interesting that if you leave off the app when you run sudo apt-get install, it will list your package as not being configured due to an unresolved dependency, as well as helpfully suggesting unmet dependencies. Try apt-get f install with no packages, or specify a solution. Edit. If you want to install without having to answer Y to all of the questions, you can add the Y modifier as I originally included, sudo apt-get fi install. However, a commenter pointed out that apt will sometimes suggest that you uninstall your entire desktop environment. I was doing this work in a VM and didn't have that concern, but this post has been updated to reflect being a bit more careful.
You can also install deb file using debi. Run the below commands to install debi. Install deb packages with debi. It also fixed dependencies.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.